So you can see that this new and free app pays up to $100,000 just for playing games on it. You have people from all over the world already making thousands of dollars from this. Anyone can install them for free, and if you ever dreamed of spending hours on your phone playing games and making big money online, then your dream just finally become a reality. You can lay down in your bed the whole day and play games without feeling guilty, because that's what will make you money. This is USA Videos and welcome to my channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So in order for you to maximize your results and earn more money, I will show you 3 different apps which you can install on your smartphone device and start making money today just by playing fun video games. The last app which I will show you has paid out over $11 million in total. Now as you can see on the first app, you can actually win different prizes starting from a contest where you can win up to $1 million. You can enter their 1 million crack the code contest for the chance to win up to $1 million in cash. 3 finalists will be selected. Each will win $5,000 guaranteed, and from those 3 finalists, one will win the grand prize. Finalists will be selected to crack the code and have a chance to win $1 million. Now obviously this is not guaranteed, but you have a chance. If you can be in the contest, even if you win a $5,000 prize, that would still be huge. You can also see different games and contests on app. If you scroll down below, these games are really fun and interesting. I mean, you can play a game on your phone and you have a chance to win thousands of dollars. That's just insane. You don't have to sell anything, you don't have to provide any service, you don't have to do affiliate marketing, show your face on camera or invest any money. You still have a chance to win big money with this app. They also have some different prizes which you can win, so it's definitely a great app to install. You can see different people from all over the world, they are making money with this app already just by playing games on their phone. You can win up to $10,000 instantly and enter great contests every single day. So there are new contests and new prizes every single day with over 1 million winners today. You could be the next. So right here you can see all the winners from this website. You can see exactly how much they're making. Now if you're wondering why this app is actually paying you to play video games, this is because they will be showing you some ads within those games and they're pretty much splitting the ad revenue with their users. So that's a great strategy because they're making a lot of money and you're also making a lot of money just by playing games. You will obviously play for real rewards. You can earn tokens and save them up to be redeemed for gift cards from over 30 major brands and retailers. This app has been featured in some of the main media sources like Discovery Channel and Yahoo, which is really insane because it makes it a huge one and there's a huge potential within this app. You can see it's available for both iOS and Android, and this is the first app that we will be using and it is called Lucktastic.com. You can also just try to find it on the App Store and Google Play Store just by searching for Lucktastic. So this is the second app that you can use to make money just by playing video games on your phone. Now this is not the one that has paid out over $11 million in total, so stay tuned to see which one has. As you can see, you can win cash playing free games. They're just sharing back the revenue, so they're just showing you the ads within the apps within the game. While you're playing the game, they will be showing you some ads and they're just splitting the ad revenue with you, which is a great business model because it means that this app is making money. So you're also making money while playing games and having fun with your phone. You can see that this app is available for both iOS and Android, which is really great because there will be no complaints in the comments like this works only for Android and I have an iOS or vice versa. You can see that you can choose one of the many different games in the big time and you will collect tons of tickets, and while playing those games you will earn more tickets, and the more tickets you earn, the higher your chances of winning those cash prizes. So you will use those tickets to enter competitions and contests in order to win the cash prizes. When the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and the winner is drawn. Every single day you have a chance to win some cash prizes, so don't worry about that. Here we can see all the different games which you can play within the app in order to earn those tickets which you can then redeem for real cash. All these games are pretty fun and interesting. And it's something that most of us would normally play online, but you will actually get paid for playing those games. So it's a great app and I highly recommend it. Here you can see some of the latest winners and how much money they're earning. You can see different people from different places around the world and the amounts that they're making just by using this app. So definitely it's a great one, and there's a lot of money to be made with this website, which is called winnergames.com. But the app is actually called Big Time. So you can find the Big Time app at winner.com, and you can install the Big Time app on your smartphone device, whether that's an Android or an iOS. You can just install it, play those games, even those tickets, and hopefully cash out other real cash prizes. The final app that we will be using has paid out over 11 million in total to their users. This is a place where we can earn rewards, which you can then exchange for Amazon, Visa, Google Play gift cards, and many others. The one thing that makes this a bit different is that it will actually give you games that are recommended just for you. So they will give you the games which you would probably be interested in, and you will tell them what games you love and you would like to play, and they will give you those games to play. You can see the step number 1 is to discover new games recommended. That is just for you. Step number 2, you will play those games and you will collect those units. They call those points units. The longer you play, the more you earn, and of course at the end you will redeem those units for real cash and for real reward. Redeem your units for awesome rewards every single week. They have new contests, and as you can see, enter for a chance to win the grand prize. Every week they launch new contests, and the last contest of each month offers an epic grand prize, which consists of big prizes and big money. What also makes this app really great and unique is that you can play with your friends and also make new ones. So this is really great because this has an in-app social experience. It allows you to see what your friends are playing, compete with them on the leaderboards, or just kick back and have a chat with them. Here you can see what other people are saying about the app, and that they are already using this app to earn rewards and money. So you can read what they're talking about in the app, and they're mostly leaving good feedback. Unfortunately, this app is currently available for Androids, and it's only available in the Google Play Store, but it's going to come up soon in the App Store. The name of this app is Misplay, and this is their official homepage, misplay.com. Now you can just go over to Google Play Store and search for Misplay. Install it, choose the games that you want to play, earn those points, coins, and units that they will give you for playing those games, and of course cash out and spend that money on whatever you want. Well, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something today. This is USA Videos, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.